was wondering when that was going to happen.
Let's stop now. Please don't. I think I'm gonna pull my pants down. I think you're gonna sag down. You're already sagging down. You want me to dip my belly in there? You. Me? Who wants me to? Me? I do.
Okay.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Got my belly print.
How was that?
Belly print. No butt print. Butt print. Get off of me! Betty! What's this? Wait, I guess I don't have enough water. Well, we're not doing another water fight. Hey! Maybe later though, right? Yeah. Or tomorrow. Yeah! Mama, do you want to get wet? Mom, can you help me? Oh, baby,
Yeah.
Jacob, I'm soaking wet.
Okay, look at the camera.
Wait. Look, I'm peeing.
That's yucky. Don't do that. How about you guys both get a boot full and dump them on your heads?
Oh, I'm not dumping it on my head. I am. I'm
1,
dumping
2,
it
3,
in my
dump.
shirt.
Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.
Say goodnight.
No.